Examine the View Windows ribbon and notice the Catalog pane and the Catalog view side by side. These buttons can reopen either one if it gets closed. In the Catalog pane, switch to the Favorites tab. Right-click the MGIS data folder and choose Add to Project. If it's not in the Favorites tab, choose Insert, Project, Add Folder. Navigate into the GIS class folder. Select the MGIS data folder and click OK. In the Catalog pane, switch back to the Project tab. Expand the folder's entry to verify that the MGIS data folder is now listed as a data source for the project.